I am so excited to partner with my friends at SkyTab again on such a great initiative. The rescue mission is back and bigger than ever. We're awarding $100,000 to restaurants and bars in need. So if you're a restaurant or bar owner, this is your opportunity to win a rescue mission for your business. What does this mean? Well, I've partnered with SkyTab to award 2 grand prize winners a $20,000 cash grant, plus a complete SkyTab POS system and an in-person consultation session with me. Additionally, we'll award 3 runner-up winners $20,000 cash grant, full SkyTab POS system, and a virtual consultation with me. And all you have to do is submit a video telling me why you deserve a rescue mission at skytab.com/rescue mission. Good luck, everyone. I look forward to seeing all your applications. So if you're a business owner or you know a restaurant owner who could really use the support, share this video.
Start by researching potential grant opportunities. Visit the Grants.gov website and explore relevant keywords like restaurant and private grant. Carefully review the eligibility criteria for each grant. Ensure your restaurant meets the requirements, such as location, revenue, and business type. Craft a compelling proposal that clearly outlines your project, budget, and expected outcomes. Highlight the impact your restaurant will have on the community. Click now to apply. Book callback time with agent.